hey there, Corey Man, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. I'm outside doing my spring cleanup. I've already cut my ornamental grass down and just wanted to take a minute here to teach you a little bit about thinning them out. So I got my digging fork here, also known as a potato fork, and this is the tool of choice when trying to dig these out. If you pick a season to dig these out, spring is the best time during your spring cleanup, obviously. Things aren't really growing very much. And these ornamental grasses, this one in particular, warm season grass, has a real strong fibrous root structure, right? But during the spring, it's more dormant, okay? The roots have not grown in. The sun is going to beat down on these things and the roots are going to start to grow, okay? So let me show you a little bit, just a few tips here. I want to use this digging fork and I'm going to get on the outside of the grass, right, like this. I'm going to push forward, get in, and really just loosen those roots, right? Not really try to pry things out like this, okay? And a lot of times it's connected, so you're going to want to take some chunks. This is going to give me a little bit of a struggle, but and then go back the opposite direction to pull those roots apart. And you get this part that comes out like this, right? I'm going to break off some of the dirt so that I don't leave a big giant hole in my landscape when I'm doing this. Each one of these little segments here will give you a whole new grass, as you can see here. But in this case, I'm trying to thin these out, right? You can see the roots really haven't started growing yet. Down inside this grass, if you look real close in here, you can see some of the new growth right there. But it's not until that sun gets nice and hot that these grasses are really going to start to grow. Every little one of these could be a whole new grass. That's the cool thing about ornamental grasses, right? If you really like the grass, you can split them up like this and make a bunch of them. I, on the other hand, are going to switch up my landscape. They've actually been in for about 6-7 years, so I'm going to change the look a little bit here, okay? Geez, I'm out of breath. Anyways, if you want more information on ornamental grasses, how to take care of them, how to maintain them, how to split them, get a hold of us, 734-726-5061. Check out our website, www.poseidonponds.com. I'm going to get back to my spring cleanup. I hope you enjoy yours.